Morning, folkers. After that nice, lovely, not light of sleep. Holy shit. Holy crap-a-moly. You see that? Oh my god. No wonder it flooded so bad here. Oh, look. There's the porch over there. Porch. Still some water here. There's this wash I was talking about, the little wash. Look at it. And then I cut those rocks and bricks and everything washed out down here. And over here too. Let it down from there. And not only that, it was coming from a second way too. I've never seen this thing going so high either. It really cut out in the driveway. At least some of it went that way, but it pooled up in here. Poor drainage here, poor drainage there, poor drainage there. Need to fix this. Well, at least my defenses did hold, but it is still very bad wet in my room over there. So yeah. Look, here's the watermark on the wall down there. There. Watermark is up here. It's white. Not as wet. But, well, there's dirt that washed in here. Even got up here. Float around here. Just start draining out here too. All this debris under this bush. The water started coming up here. Look how torn out this thing is. Can't defend that anymore. It's just as low as the wash over there now. Again. Yeah. They'd rather be it down there than up here. It ran real bad. So I'm going to pause it. And here's our front yard. And there's a car in the way, but our driveway. So messed up over here. And over here, the wash, well, it likes to go over here, but the water started going this way from the wash. Started piling up in here. Now that those neighbors built that wall there and didn't leave drainage for this, it has to find another way out. And it kept coming and coming up this way before it could flood out somewhere. Which means down that way. Cool. Alright. Yeah. Speaking about the wash, the little wash. Look how much wider it is over here. Flowed real bad over here. Flooded his entire yard over there. A good thing he has good defenses for his house, I think, now. So, yeah. I don't know if they have holes in the wall or not. Well, it could go out that way, too. Because there's two separate brick walls over there. So I think it went out that way, and then out to the road. That's a lot of water to go. 4.2 inches of rain is a lot of water to get in Tucson, Arizona. In one area, this is just one area of Tucson. Everywhere's different measurements. So, yeah. Hope you enjoy.